Hey there! Today we're tackling a problem involving a random graph in R, where one node is colored red and the rest are different shades of red based on their distance from the original node. The goal is to create multiple colored square nodes with a fading effect to mimic color diffusion and create natural boundaries. In the solution provided, we see a clever approach using a custom function, blend_colors, to blend colors based on weights. The color_g function handles the graph coloring process by marking source nodes with fixed colors and calculating distances using a breadth-first search. By blending colors and applying inverse distance weights, the script achieves a smooth color transition effect on non-source nodes. Continuing with the solution, we observe the usage of colorjam, rainbowjam for generating a tree graph with a preset color scheme and a lattice graph with specific colors. The withr with _par function helps in plotting multiple graphs side by side for comparison or visualization purposes. To wrap it up, we've explored an innovative approach to color diffusion in graphs using R. The solution provides a smart method for creating visually appealing network visualizations with natural color transitions. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, like the video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Stay curious and keep coding.